Welcome back to Learning with the Difference, news headlines in English for 9th of July. And first of all, national news. The recruitment of 1200 police officers has been cancelled in Jammu and Kashmir following large-scale corruption in the exams. India declared one-day state mourning after Japan ex-PM Shinzo Abe's death. G20 in Indonesia, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar held talks with US Secretary of State Antony Blinken. Shinzo Abe, the former Prime Minister of Japan, has died after he was shot 8th July while campaigning for a parliamentary election. PM Modi addressed him as a dear friend as he expressed shock over his death. Soldier killed in action during counter-infiltration operation in Kashmir. Uddhav Thackeray demanded mid-term elections in Maharashtra. And heavy rainfall in Karnataka, flood warning in several districts. Rupees 10 crore penalty for ex-Amnesty India head for Forex violation. Tripura Chief Minister Manik Saha took oath as member of Assembly. A 15-year-old student died and 20 other people were injured as 250-year-old heritage tree fell in Chandigarh school. Income Tax carried out search operations on the pharmaceutical group premises in Delhi, Haryana. Fresh landslide killed women in Manipur, 10 others seriously injured. 10 dead, 40 feared missing after cloudburst near Amarnath Shrine. And now some international news. British Embassy in Ukraine said they won't use new address given by Russia. Prince Harry won first stage of defamation case against UK newspaper. An Italian man, Christian Cavalletti, collected 12,042 different Pepsi cans and created Guinness World Record. Not us who abandoned contact, it was the United States, Russia at G20. COVID hit Shanghai is gradually reopening, though curbs may return. Man arrested in US for stealing $10,000 from 2 women on flight. Japan ex-PM assassinated, doctors said bullet penetrated her. Now some sports news. The Indian team could tour Australia twice in the next Future Tours program cycle from 2024 to 2032 with the number of tests per series increased from the existing 4 to 5. Max Verstappen dominated opening practice for Austrian Grand Prix. And now let's have a look on weather. Delhi's weather. Delhi's maximum temperature settles at 39 degrees. Rain likely on 9th of July. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.